Hi children, how are you? Are you ready for a new lesson? Let's go! Today we are going to practice a question about routines. Hoxe imos practicar unha pregunta sobre rutinas. What time do you? We use the question, what time do you? To know the time someone does a routine. Cando queremos saber a que hora alguén fai unha rutina, preguntámoslle, what time do you? What time do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 9 o'clock.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 7 o'clock.
What time do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth at 9 o'clock.
What time do you go home?
I go home at 4 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Let's review. Cando queremos saber a que hora alguén fai unha rutina, preguntámoslle, what time do you?